Today, I'm sharing my secret for cooking corn that's going to blow your taste buds away. If you've ever struggled to get that juicy, sweet flavor, you're not alone, but don't worry, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to cook corn perfectly every time. Let's jump right in with boiling corn. This is a classic method that's super easy. All you need is a large pot, enough water to cover the corn, and a pinch of salt. Bring the water to a boil, toss in your corn, and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Keep an eye on it to avoid overcooking. Nothing worse than mushy corn. Next up is one of my personal favorites, grilling corn. Grilled corn has a smoky flavor that's just unbeatable. Start by preheating your grill to medium-high heat. Brush your corn with oil, season it with salt and pepper, then pop it on the grill. Rotate the corn every 2 to 3 minutes until it's got a nice char and is tender. You'll know it's ready when the kernels look golden and slightly charred. This method gives your corn that amazing grilled taste that'll leave everyone asking for more. Now, if you're short on time, here's a quick tip. Microwave your corn. Yes, you heard that right. Just place the corn in the microwave and cook on high for 2-3 minutes. Check it after that. If it's not tender, cook for another minute and check again. I once knew someone who left their corn in the microwave too long. Let's just say it wasn't pretty. So, be sure to watch it closely. Here's a game changer: boiling and grilling. This method combines the best of both worlds, the tenderness of boiled corn with the smoky flavor of grilled corn. Start by boiling your corn for 3 to 4 minutes, then finish it off on the grill for another 2 to 3 minutes. Trust me, this method is worth the extra step. What's the secret to making your corn next level? Seasoning. Personally, I love to add a sprinkle of paprika and a squeeze of lime juice for that extra brightness. But there's no wrong way to season your corn. Garlic powder, chili powder, or even a dash of cayenne, whatever your taste buds crave. And don't forget the butter. Melted butter with a bit of salt takes your corn to new heights. So, how do you cook your corn? Got any special tips or seasoning combos that make your corn stand out? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my next one on how to fry the perfect southern catfish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.